Here is a Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to get to the light, we have to first open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, open the hatch, and now we have to get the light out. For that, we have to first get this plastic cover out. Put a couple fingers over there in the back and then pull it outwards. It'll just come right out. There are 4 clips which are holding it in place. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one over there. So 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one goes behind the plastic there. And that's how the cover is positioned, and you just pull it off. Now set it aside. We have to get these 2 bolts out. For that you need a 10mm socket ratchet combination. So let's go ahead, loosen the bulbs and get them out one by one and keep them aside. Now we have to get the light out, so it has to slide out straight to the back. First rock the light loose a little bit like this, and now just push over there and the light should come right out. But if it doesn't, I'll show you a trick. Get a roll of duct tape and put a few long pieces of the duct tape on the light, just the way I'm showing. Just cover it up completely. And then grab the ends of all the 4 or 5 layers, grab it together like a handle, and now we'll yank it out. Just grab it and out it comes. Now let's just go ahead and get the duct tape off the light. That's the bulb holder for the turn signal. Just grab it and twist it left and off it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is WY21W. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops right in. So be patient, it may take you a few seconds, but once it sits in like this, just twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now let's put the light back in. Well, you have to focus on this cutout which goes on the clip there. This pin goes inside over there, and the holes for the bolts, they go around these white tabs. So let's get it in place, focus on this cutout, make sure it's going on there on the clip. And the holes for this are going around those white tabs. Don't just push it and smash it on. Just make sure it goes around it. This front end is looking good. It's not sticking out. So now just go ahead, put the bolts back on and tighten them down. Get this cover back in place. And see this clip, it goes behind that plastic piece there. Just get it in place like this and give it a push to engage it. And that's it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.